Hey, I really want to thank you for your patience with me on Friday. My voice was completely out of commission, and thank you so much for your patience. Friday was day 25 of the FlyLady's 31 baby step, and I tried to talk all about drinking water and giving yourself a gold star. I'm going to touch on that a little bit more today. I hope you guys had a lovely weekend maintaining those habits. Excuse me once again for Friday. Friday, we did go on to add one more new habit, an afternoon routine, but really it's spread out all throughout the day. It's drinking water. I have this one right here that I like to use. It was $30 about when I purchased it on Amazon, but y'all, it is glass. Is super duper awesome. It's even timed on the sides. I woke up a couple of hours ago, so I got a little bit in already, but it is timed in case you want to keep up. I don't really keep up with it because I try to get a gallon. Emphasis on try. But if you need a little more or a little less, it does have the time. It also comes in a lot of super duper cute colors. I will link it down below if interested. But all that to say, at around the afternoon routine, you will know if you're behind on your water, and it's a perfect time to catch up, which is why we put it in the afternoon routine. Also, we had covered, well, I tried, give yourself a gold star. Now, whether that is literally or metaphorically, I need you to give yourself a gold star. If you have children and they have sticker collections, you can have them give it to you. You can ask if you can have one because of all the work that you've been putting in. And if you can get a physical gold star, put it in the corner of the free printable, which is linked down below. Be sure to get those. You can find one pre-filled the way I do it, or you can get a blank one and fill it out however your schedule best allows you to. So all that to say, today on the 26th of the Fly Lady 31 baby step, we're going to jump in. Anything you might have missed, give yourself grace. Just jump on in. Fly Lady waters are perfect. You can jump in wherever you are. That's where the Fly Lady system is wonderful at. Well, it's wonderful in a lot of things. Let's be real. But there is no shame. There is no waiting for Monday. There is no even waiting for tomorrow. You can start with the afternoon routine, the evening routine, anytime, any place, any zone. Doesn't matter. Does not matter. Right now we're in zone 2, the kitchen. So if you just now seen this video, you would like to know what all of this is all about, you can just jump on in. If you are the kind of person that does like to catch up, even though this is not the kind of system for that, feel free to join in on my challenges. Just ignore the days and go about at your own pace. Once you do fully complete the challenge, if that's your wish, then you can continue with the FlyLady system. I talk all about how to use it. At the end, I am going to come up with a video on how to put all things together practically so that we can use it better, a simple to understand manner. That is one thing. The system is awesome. It's super duper. It's amazing. But it can seem overwhelming at first. So my mission is to simplify it the very best possible, how I wish I would have had it when I first started. And yes, so we've added a new habits. I hope you're maintaining all of your habits. Still resting my voice a little bit, so I'm not gonna go through all of them. Again, I do usually do on Fridays, but please check out the printables that has all of the things that we have been doing, or you could check out not this Friday because of voice, but last Friday's videos and add on to those. And if throughout the week we might touch on them before Friday. But I'm so proud of you. You've gotten so super duper far. We got this. The challenge is nearly over. It finishes November 13th. I'm so excited to see you tomorrow on day 27 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Also, let me know about the angle. Is it like too awkward? Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time. To God be the glory. Bye.